Sometimes I like to use my imagination and think about what I would do if I had some extra money. I know I'm gonna win this time. I can feel it.
And these are tonight's winning numbers. Congratulations!
Woohoo! I won! I could buy some real Crocs that didn't get holes in them so easily. Made a hole through my shoe. Ow! What's that rock right here? I could upgrade my bike. I could get myself the best new second-hand bike out there. Naturally, when I get this feeling, I start scrolling the online marketplace in search of bargains. Wow, look, I found this Brompton. Cool color, and it looks like it's in good shape. And it comes with a bag. Well, that's the leading brand bike for $500. But I think $500 is still a little bit expensive for me. And there's probably other stuff that I can get for the same money. Sir, are you ready to order? Yeah, I'm ready. The, ice water, is that extra for the ice?
Yes.
One water, please. Hold the ice. Oh, yeah, that's mine. Thank you. Thanks. I think I should just stick to what I know, and that's bikes. Okay, e-bikes. Why is everyone selling e-bikes? Ooh, Dahon, folding bike. This is interesting. It's got the shock absorber here. That actually looks alright. I don't usually look at bikes that have shock absorbers. Most of them are junk, but this is the real deal Dahon. I'd like to see it with the seat and handlebars extended. So that's what we could get for $500, but what can we get for half that price? What do we got here? KHS folding bike? I haven't ever seen one of these before, but this looks cool. It's got Shimano, I don't know how many speed on there. It looks like a steel frame. 6 speed and good looking bike. For a 16-inch wheel bike, it looks pretty good. I would seriously consider this. That's a good looking handlebar folding mechanism too. It looks really strong and you can adjust it with an Allen key. That's a plus. Good pedals. That's a contender. It's got a big chain rings, $250. I'll put that on the maybe list. What else have we got here? I wouldn't consider buying something like this. With the shock absorber like that, that's a no. Oh, that one's cool. Bit out of my price range. Legend. What can we get for the cheapest price possible? Well, here you go. It looks like something that a kid might ride. It's got 14-inch wheels, I guess. It's vintage. For $20, man, what can you do? Oh, this one looks like it's got at least a good sturdy folding mechanism on the handlebars. But very small wheels again. Steel frame, maybe something that you could take on the bus. And maybe good for that last mile, last mile. Certainly folds down small. Suits smaller rider, shorter than 175. Well, if you're shorter than 175. What else we got? There's always a lot of these for sale. These folding e-bikes with the battery pack. And I must admit, I've been doing a lot of riding around the place and I've never seen one being ridden. The Easy Rider. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about that. Save your money, buy something without a battery. You know it's always going to work. A lot of e-bikes for sale. Oh, here's a... You don't see many of these. This is a full size frame folding bike. Looks like 26-inch wheels. Yeah, useful. It's got the carrier. Fold down to go in the back seat of your car pretty easily. It's still got the same size frame and same size wheels as a mountain bike. Oh, whoa. This is cool. folding bicycle from Japan. This kind of thing is made to take on a train. It's even got a handle so you can carry it on and off, and a bag. That $249, that's got really small wheels, so you wouldn't outrunk. From Asahi Cycles Japan, 2019. I'm 186 centimeters and it's okay. Probably better for a smaller rider, but it could be a cool thing to like cruise around in a city on. Stowaway bike. Yeah, I wouldn't consider buying something like this with the grip shift again. Those handlebars just don't look. They look cool, but I'm not. Yeah, the folding mechanism looks alright actually. I wouldn't consider something like this unless you're going to replace a lot of things on it. $100 though. That's the end of it. Well, it's starting to rain on me again. Story of my life. Time that I got back to my tent. Whoa. So that my laptop doesn't get wet. I'm gonna have an early night tonight so that I can get up in time for the sunrise. I'm gonna meet some people for the sunrise this morning. Welcome along, Hobo Club members. I'm here in this beautiful spot in New Zealand on this cliffside waiting for the sun. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. It's just a beautiful, peaceful spot. I'm so glad that you could come along for the adventure and be part of this journey with me. Hey, how's it going, man? Nice to have you here, joining me on this beautiful day. Check this out. I'll just step out of the shot for a minute and let you guys just appreciate this. Look at it. Wow.